Good morning, Natalie. It's Sunday and it's one of the first really nice days here, so I decided to film outside to enjoy the sunshine because that's kind of what I've been doing all day. I've just been outside and I hope you've been outside because it's quite nice. So your question for me was, have I ever pulled an all-nighter? And I haven't pulled an all-nighter for school and really for like anything. I don't think I've pulled an all-nighter just at a sleepover or something. But I have pulled kind of an all-nighter on choir tour when we went to Iceland and we left in the morning and then we arrived in Iceland in the Icelandic morning and then we stayed awake all that day. So I don't know the exact times on that, but I think it was approximately 24 hours we were all awake. So I count that as an all-nighter. It wasn't dark really ever, but I'm counting it. A lot of people I know pull all-nighters so they can study for tests, and I don't really think that's a good idea. I personally find that sleep kind of helps the information that like I was taught in class stick in my brain a little more than like cramming at 3 a.m. and so I don't really do that, but it probably works for some people, just not me. So as I said earlier, I've been outside all day, and that's because I just came from a soccer game, which my team tied. Yay. That might not sound very good to you, but it's good. Recently at our soccer games it's been like snowing, so we were all kind of enjoying the sunshine. It was actually a little too hot for like, we should have been a little colder, but it was good. It was nice. At least it wasn't snowing. I've also noticed that flowers have started blooming, and that really makes me want to make some daisy chains, but I'm actually not really, there's no little flowers around here that I can make daisy chains with right now, but that will happen because I'm super excited for summer and spring and just warm weather. I feel like for a lot of people watching this, they might be kind of like, why is this girl freaking out? It doesn't even look that nice. But it has been snowing, and it's kind of unusual that when spring starts, it actually starts being springy here, so I don't know. I don't think I'm overreacting. Maybe I am. Maybe you think I'm overreacting, in which case, I'm sorry. So I don't really have anything else to say, so I guess I'm just gonna film spring things and make that all creative, artsy, if I can. So enjoy. So my question for you is, what do you love about spring? And my favorite thing about spring is probably the flowers, but the sunshine doesn't hurt either. Okay, so Natalie, I'll see you on Wednesday.